Hey there, science fans! Are you ready for an exciting adventure in the world of chemistry? Want to feel like a real magician? Imagine creating something that glows in the dark, just like a magic spell. Today, we're going to make liquids that glow in the dark. It's a fascinating experiment that will make you feel like a wizard in a science lab. It's like having a magic potion right in your hands. Imagine the wonder and amazement when you see the liquid light up. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First, we need to make sure we're safe. Put on your safety goggles and gloves. This experiment involves a special ingredient called luminol. Luminol is a chemical that glows when it reacts with certain substances. Don't worry, it's safe when used correctly. Always follow the safety instructions and handle the chemicals with care. We'll mix it with a few other things and poof, we'll have glowing liquids. The reaction is truly magical and will leave you in awe. This is a great way to learn about chemistry and have tons of fun at the same time. You'll discover how different chemicals interact and create amazing effects. Plus, it's a fantastic opportunity to explore the wonders of science with your friends and family. So let's get started and make some magical liquids together. Before we start, we need to talk about safety. Science is super cool, but it's important to be careful when we're dealing with chemicals. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes. Ask a grown-up to help you with the experiment, especially when handling anything sharp or hot. And remember, never put any of the chemicals in your mouth. Safety first, then the fun begins. Let's gather our magic ingredients. You'll need luminol, you can find this online or at some science stores, hydrogen peroxide, like the kind you use for cuts, bleach, water, measuring cups and spoons, a clear glass or jar, and a dark room to see the magic. Once you have everything ready, you can put on your safety goggles and gloves. Now let's move on to the exciting part. Section 4. Let's make it glow. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of chemistry to create something truly magical. First, we're going to mix our magic potion. This isn't just any potion, it's one that will light up your world with a mesmerizing blue glow. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. With a few simple ingredients and a bit of patience, you'll be able to create your very own glowing concoction. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be amazed at the results. 1. Take a small amount of luminol and mix it with water in your glass jar. Luminol is a special chemical that reacts to produce light. You don't need a lot of luminol, just a little pinch will do. It's powerful stuff, so a small amount goes a long way. 2. Add a bit of hydrogen peroxide to the jar. This common household item is more than just a disinfectant. Hydrogen peroxide helps activate the luminol and makes it ready to glow. It's like the spark that ignites the magic. 3. Now, here comes the fun part. This is where the real magic happens. Carefully add a small amount of bleach to the mixture. Bleach acts as a catalyst, speeding up the reaction. Remember, always have an adult help you with the bleach. Safety first. Bleach can be dangerous if not handled properly. As soon as you add the bleach, watch closely. The reaction happens quickly and you don't want to miss it. You should start to see a magical blue glow in the jar. Cool, right? This glow is the result of a chemical reaction called chemiluminescence. Chemiluminescence is when a chemical reaction produces light without heat. It's the same principle that makes fireflies glow. This experiment is not only fun but also a great way to learn about the wonders of chemistry. So, gather your materials, follow the steps, and let the magic unfold. And remember, science is all about exploration and discovery. Who knows what other amazing things you can create with a little curiosity and some simple ingredients. Thanks for joining us in this glowing adventure. Stay curious and keep experimenting. Section 5. Wow, it's glowing. But why? Have you ever wondered what makes certain things glow in the dark? It's a fascinating phenomenon that can seem almost magical at first glance. That blue glow is not magic, it's science. Specifically, it's a result of a process known as chemiluminescence. The glow happens because of a chemical reaction. When certain chemicals mix together, they can produce light without needing any heat. For example, when luminol, hydrogen peroxide, and bleach mix, they create a burst of energy. This reaction is often used in forensic science to detect blood traces. This energy is released as light, and that's what makes the liquid glow. The light emitted is usually blue, but it can vary depending on the chemicals involved. This type of light is called chemiluminescence, a big word, but it simply means light from a chemical reaction. It's different from bioluminescence, which is light produced by living organisms. Fireflies, glow sticks, and even some deep-sea creatures use chemiluminescence to light up their surroundings. Fireflies use it to attract mates, while deep-sea creatures use it to navigate the dark ocean depths. Glow sticks, on the other hand, are a fun application of this science, often used in parties and emergency situations. So, the next time you see something glowing in the dark, you'll know it's not magic, but the incredible science of chemiluminescence at work. Section 6. More magic tricks. Now that you're a glowing liquid expert, how about trying some variations? You can experiment with different amounts of luminol. What happens if you add more or less? Different temperatures of water? Does it glow brighter with warm or cold water? Food coloring? Can you make the glow green, red, or even purple? Remember, always ask a grown-up before trying something new, and be sure to write down your observations in a notebook. You're a scientist now. Section 7. Keep exploring. Science is all about asking questions, trying new things, and having fun while you learn. There's a whole world of amazing discoveries waiting for you. So keep experimenting, keep exploring, and never stop being curious about the world around you. And remember, with a little bit of science, you can make magic happen.